It's a cold, January, cloudy, kind of windy day. And I'm out here doing maiden flights. And this is my maiden flight on my Nazgul-Evoque F4D, the dead cat variant. I also have the F4X, the X. The X flew great. I expect this is going to fly great. The dead cat configuration, of course, keeps props out of view on the 03 camera. And I don't fly an external camera on my smaller drones. I just don't. I think the 03 video is great for what I like to use it for anyway. This is going to be expected to be a really maneuverable and a lot of fun to fly drone. Has the M10 GPS on it, which with the current version of Beta Flight works really well. The upgrade to Beta Flight 4.5 has simply increased the performance, or at least my perception of the performance of the M10 chip. So I'm going to plug in the battery and take it for its maiden. I have 8 satellites now. I am happy checking radios. Yep. Great. Okay. And all my switches are good. Arming. Recording. Everything looks normal. Launching. Getting right into a really smooth loop. Yeah. This line of 4-inch Nazguls that iFlight came out with this year earns the name Nazgul. I love the Naz 5s. But I gotta say, these Naz 4s have not disappointed in any way. In some ways, they're, again, because they're a little smaller, they're actually a little more maneuverable. Or maybe I just fly them a little harder. Oh yeah. What a winner. And these can fly range too. I'm out 1,200, almost, well, I'm out 1,500 feet now. At about 150 foot altitude. Of course, with ELRS, there's absolutely no problem with the control link, and with the 03s, I've had no problem with video links. It handles these loops just so easy. Do a snap roll. Really easy. Try a slow roll. Again, really easy. And the 4-inch platform at the weight, it doesn't fall real fast. So it kind of floats a little bit on those rolls, which is nice. In other words, it's not crashing towards the ground. Now, I put a 1,000 milliamp hour battery on that. Now, it is a 6S battery, though. A lot of 4Ss use 4Ss, which is fine, of course. Fly down the fence line. There we go. Don't hit the signpost. Got power turn around the tree. Don't cut in too far. My friends at Port St. Lucie, I'm looking forward to come seeing you. Because Lord knows, this is just a barren field flying over. I do miss my air park. Or our air park. I'm going to say that they've improved the tune. I've been flying this reasonably hard, and I'm still up above 3.5 volts at coming up on 5 minutes. Okay, below 3.5, got my low battery warning, which is fine. Coming in to land. Now, can I land this one as nice as the Helion landed? Let's see. Again, PIO is so easy to get into. You gotta really fight it. Nope. Come on, Jay. There we go. Missed it. And it rolled over. That's okay. Maiden Flight for the Nazgul-Evoque F4D. Dead cat configuration, 6S, 03 air unit, flew great, really maneuverable. It's a Naz, and the Naz line all fly great. Hope you'll fly safe, have fun.